If southern Italy feels like the Mediterranean, volcanoes, and endless sunshine, then northern Italy is something completely different. It's home to some of the most unreal glacial lakes on Earth, right at the base of the Alps. A chain of massive natural lakes cuts through the landscape, but these aren't ordinary lakes. They're scars from the Ice Age. Tens of thousands of years ago, huge glaciers pushed south like slow-moving bulldozers, carving deep valleys straight into solid rock. When the ice finally melted, those valleys filled with water, and the lakes we see today were formed. The biggest is Lake Garda, then comes Lake Maggiore, and the famous Lake Como, with its sharp, upside-down Y shape. But here's the crazy part. These lakes aren't just large, they're insanely deep. Lake Como drops over 400 meters, and parts of its bottom actually sit below sea level. So standing on the shore, you're basically looking over a hidden underwater canyon. But it gets even more extreme. These lakes work like giant natural air conditioners. In summer, they absorb heat and store it. In winter, they slowly release that warmth back into the air, and the result is unbelievable. Right next to the freezing Alps, you suddenly get a mild Mediterranean microclimate. Olive trees, lemon trees, even palm trees, snow-covered mountains in the background, almost tropical vegetation in the front. It looks unreal, almost like AI, but it's completely real. That strange mix of alpine cold and Mediterranean warmth is why this region became one of Europe's top luxury destinations. For decades, it's been filled with billionaires, Hollywood celebrities, and lakeside villas worth millions. And yet the bigger picture is even more fascinating. From the Alps in the north, all the way down to Sicily in the south, Italy is held together by layers of history, geography, and culture. And that's what makes it unique. A country where the landscape changes completely, but the identity stays the same.